Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly. Click OK to close the program in Windows 11. So if you're getting this error, guys, follow these instructions that I'm about to share with you to fix that problem. Let me go ahead and minimize this. Now, the first thing you want to do is click your Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and type in Control Panel. And I also want to mention that these instructions also work for Windows 10. So if you're running Windows 10, you follow the same instruction and they should help to fix the problem as well. So click Control Panel, guys, and once you're here, you want to go ahead and find Region. Once you open Region, go ahead and click on Administrative at the top here and click on Change System Local. This is the first thing. You want to go ahead and change this and find your correct region. So as you can see, it is showing me the English United States. Go ahead and choose the correct one for you. Once you do that, just simply click on OK here and OK here as well. And if this doesn't work for you, go ahead and move on to this next solution that I'm about to share. Now, guys, what you want to do is simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar, then type CMD and just right click on this and run it as administrator. You will receive the user account control pop-up. Simply click on yes to run CMD as administrator. And you want to go ahead and run these commands. You will find these commands within the description of this video. And so you want to go ahead and run these. So run the first one as you will see right here. And once this is done, go ahead and run the second command as well and restart your PC. Now, these solutions, especially these commands that I'm sharing with you, are solutions that have received really good feedback once based on the research that I've gotten. And I want to share these solutions with you. And I really hope that one of these actually fix the problem for you. And if it doesn't, guys, don't worry, don't stress. Leave a comment below, leave your comment and your feedback below in this video, and I will go ahead and check those comments individually, and I'll try to find a solution that can help you to fix your problem. With that said, guys, best of luck. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, I'm Andrew. Hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next video.